Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of adding a participant to a specific group in your WhatsApp community. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Go to your community. Step 3. Click on the three dots. Step 4. Select Announcements Info. Step 5. Navigate to the Community tab. Step 6. Click on View Groups. Step 7. Choose the desired group. Step 8. Click on Add Participant. Step 9. Check the box next to the contact name. Step 10. Click on the checkmark icon. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to easily add a participant to a specific group within your WhatsApp community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing WhatsApp tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and help them enhance their WhatsApp community by adding participants to specific groups. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.